Hi everyone, Brian here from Black Ops Toys. Today we are doing an unboxing of 26030A, which is the Special Mission Unit, or SMU, by Easy and Simple. This is the North American exclusive. These are for sale on the website. Great price, fantastic figure. This is something that we actually got the prototype of, so you guys got to preview it, but now we actually see the real thing. Here we go. Okay. So let's just get in here. There we go. Let's just go ahead and lay the contents out on the table. There we go. All right. Okay, so let's talk about him first. So, story behind this, there are a couple other SMU figures in this series. There is a 26030B and a 26030C. So collect all three. This guy right here is wearing Desert AOR. Again, awesome uniform. Functioning pockets. We got Velcro to tighten the legs. Got your Speed Cross shoes. The detail on these is actually getting better. So if you notice, over time, the actual crispness gets a lot sharper. So the shoes look a lot better than the first releases back in the day. Let's take a look at the vest. A lot of people don't know that these things go on like the real thing. So this is a little plate carrier. What I mean by plate carrier is you can carry body armor plates inside here. So you can actually go into it. Now you can swap these out with hard plates. We do sell those on the website by various manufacturers. Or you can just keep the foam in there. What I like to do is keep the foam because it allows it to bend around the body more. And then I put in maybe 50 cents or a 50-cent piece inside, and that allows the vest to hang properly on the figure. So just like the real thing. So you have an inner belt. So this right here would go around the waist. I'm going to close this. And this flap comes down. There you go. And these are all MOLLE, so your pouches will weave in and out. And you can kind of set it up however you want. This right here is a pull strap, but great piece of kit. We have some skin tone gloved hands, which is interesting. Not interesting, but it's neat. It's the first time for them doing that. Fantastic head sculpt. Bald is coming back. So if you know what the story is behind the 26030A and the B, please leave that in the comments below. I did say that when we previewed the figure. It's kind of a cool story. Anyhow, got a helmet. This guy right here. So the fit on these caps from Easy and Simple is fantastic. So I've actually pulled a bunch of these and I'm using them for my own figures. But it fits just awesome. Oops. Check, please. There we go. Velcro panels for patches. This right here is a hydration pack / backpack. It will weave in and out through here. Go on the back like that. We do have some camouflage tape, so you can cut this just into little strips like this, and then you can use it like tape, say for the rifle or taping down the radio or any type of taping scenario. So that's kind of neat. All right, so let's go ahead and dump this other tray and get into it. Get into all the good stuff. Again, don't eat that. Okay, so this comes with 2 weapons. 3 weapons actually, but 2 rifles. Comes with a sniper rifle, scope, this right here, cover for that, so you don't get glass shine. Then we have spring-loaded bipod. Those are real metal springs. These actually do pull out too. Okay, next rifle. If you know what type of rifle these are, names for either one, please leave that in the comments below. The stock does move. Again, don't break that. Does cover, pops open, bolt is spring-loaded. Magazine comes out. A lot of times these are really hard to get out. They've done a great job at letting that come out easy. Scope. Pack. Suppressor. Foregrip. And another bipod. Next, we have a holster. Drop leg. This right here will go around the belt. And they call it drop leg because it drops down, and then this right here would go around the thigh. Drop leg holster. One thing to notate, it is right-handed. Sometimes you'll see figures with left-handed, which is a rare thing, but they are out there. Pistol, SIG, great detail, just like all their other ones. Hammer moves. Let's see. Pop the mag out so you can actually see the round right there. Let me get that again. Really nice fit. Okay, now we got a couple pouches for the vest. We have a grenade pouch with a grenade. This is kind of neat. Metal pin. So. And it does just like the real thing. Be very careful with these. If you pull this, it could explode. But that is metal, just like the real thing. It's bent right here. You pull it out, it straightens out, and then things blow up. Next, we have a pistol mag pouch. Extra mag for that. We have a GPS. We have some 30-round magazines. This guy comes with a 20 round. Inside, we have a 2-point sling. We have some killer sunglasses. I actually have these, a couple different sets. But everybody looks cooler. Oh, look at that. Good fit. Looks nice. Next, we have a smoke grenade. We have a magazine for this guy. So let's check this out. Bolt. Be careful getting this guy out. Metal round. Just lays in there like that. So bolt goes in. It's right here. See how it folds? Fantastic, fantastic rifle. Man, I tell you, it's so crisp, so crisp. So these guys actually turn. That goes up and down. And I think that's about it. Let's go ahead and dress this guy up real quick. Just throw the scope on. Lays right there. That's nice. And then we have a PEQ. We can just throw that right here. A little bit tight. A little bit tight. I'm going to glue dot this when I'm all done with the video, but that's how it looks. Fantastic. And then your bipod will go up here, and we have a couple different rail parts that come with this that allows us to connect here and then put that guy on. Let's keep moving. Who knows what that is? We have some helmet stuff. So, strobe. We have a radio, big radio. So this is a whip antenna. It's designed to molly in and out, so you can bend it to your body, so it's not hanging up like that. Makes more of a target if you got that. Headset. This is dual comm, so you can have two different radio. Two mics, and then two push to talks. And then two radios right there. Okay. More. These guys right here. Let's read this. What does that say? I'm getting old. Orange. Nope, sorry. Grenade. Grenade hand. Yay. Anyway, we have grenade pouches. These are also 5.56 mag pouches. This guy is. This right here would be for this guy. This right here. Holds your magazines. And that right there will weave in and out. Next, we have a SAW ammo pouch. A lot of guys use these just for extra magazines or for dump pouch. This right here is another ammo pouch. Then we get an NVG. This is really nice. Really nice. That right there will go on the helmet. And you can see there's a V right here. This right here is shaped like a V. So there's only one way to really do it, and this will drop right in there. And then your battery box will Velcro back here. All right, leather sling. This is awesome. This is new. Great detail. I'm already using a couple of these on some bashes I'm doing right now. It's dual point, so this right here will connect to, say, this rail system here, or this right here. And then you connect the other half up front. But great quality, very, very nice. Then we have a knife. This right here has a belt loop attachment, which is nice. So that can just go on the back or anywhere you want, but belt attachment, that's nice. All right, now that's about it for the tray. Let's kind of go over what we have in here. I'm gonna just dump this stuff out. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. All right, so these are decals, and these go on the weapons. So you have one set for one set for the other. Then you have these rails right here. If you know what type of mechanism this is called to fit here, please leave that in the comments below. I'm sure a lot of you guys will get it. Now the cool thing is that you can put these here, you can put them on the side, or you can put them down below, and you can kind of just customize it and trick it out however you want. But I'm just gonna put this guy right here. And I'm just gonna drop this tripod. You want to be careful. little bit tight. So I'd recommend you file a tiny bit inside there so it slips on smoother, but at least you know it's not going anywhere. And then okay, keep moving. Next we have a little red dot. So this guy would go on top. You could use this on a pistol, but you can use that on a scope like that. So you go long range to short range or medium range to short range. Basically a little RMR, so that's kind of cool. More rails, little tiny pieces. We have light sticks, the short ones. We have very cool, very great details. So Sharpie pen. This right here is a regular pen. Patches. Then we got some helmet stuff. So Velcro, helmet Velcro, lots of Velcro, which is good. And then we have these guys. These guys are little wristbands that cover these joints right here. So if you don't want to see a joint in a picture, you put these on and it looks natural. It's very cool. So little details like that. And then we have helmet padding. So that's pretty standard fare. Boom. All in all, fantastic figure. Special mission unit. This is 26030A, made by Easy and Simple, North American exclusive. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified of new and exciting content like this guy. Thank you for sticking around. We're going to do a quick build on this guy. If you know what type of rifle this is, leave that in the comments below. Let's get started. Bam. Uh-oh, we're actually going to go on the back here. Watch what I do. There we go. So we're going to glue dot that. You can have it with or without. Got this guy. Perfect fit. Let's go ahead and stand this guy up. Once you do some glue dots, this will be freaking fantastic. Bam. There it is. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that subscribe button or ring that bell to be notified of new and exciting content like this guy.